Hello there guys, and in this tutorial what we are going to talk about is what we are going to talk about in the following tutorials. Okay, so we have reached our checkpoint. Okay, now what are we going to talk about in the following tutorials? We will talk about how Linux boots up. Okay, so first we are going to talk about the boot up process. Okay, and basically boot up process is just a process with which your computer starts. Okay, and we are also going to talk about init, and we will talk about what init is. It is basically the process with which it all begins, but again we will discuss init in this first section. And well, this is pretty much it. There's no number two. Okay, maybe I could put number two is actually in it, but basically we are going to talk about these two things, and init is actually a part of this first thing. Okay, so technically we are just going to talk about the boot up process. We are actually going to talk about what goes on when we try to shut down our Linux system, but so you could technically call it like a boot down process or something like that. However, we are going to focus on what happens when you boot up your system. That is when you start your system. Okay, so I think this is very useful to know, to kind of give you context on what is happening, and also if something goes wrong, that you understand what exactly went wrong. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. And yeah, that's it. Talk soon.